guys, so I have no idea what day this is going to go up. This is for Vlogmas. I'm kind of failing at Vlogmas, but at least I'm getting a video up for every day of Vlogmas, just not every day consistently. So yeah, it is snowing like crazy outside. I just got home, so I didn't vlog at all today because I was out with my cousin and my aunt. But right now, it is 4:03 and I'm uploading Vlogmas day 12 video, and today's the 14th, so it'll probably go up like, maybe this will go up today too, but it just has like the 13th day. I don't even know. I'm trying, guys. And I got my candle burning, and it is seriously snowing like crazy. Like, hold on. Like, there's so much snow, like the roads aren't even, the roads just like aren't even, you know. We definitely have like 2 or 3 inches of snow, and I just got home because I was with my aunt and cousin. Went to a few stores before it got like too bad. Before like 2 o'clock it started to get like really bad, so we just decided to come home. And my mom is away, and I just got back, and my sister is gonna be home in like an hour, and then my brother is actually going to my grandparents' house, and then I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just rambling. But yeah, we have so much snow. I just love coming home and turning on all the Christmas lights. And I ate around like 12, so I'm kind of like really hungry, and I'm really thirsty. So let's see. I'm gonna have some Gatorade, some raspberry melon Gatorade, and then ow. Hi. It zoomed in on your face. No. Ow! Ow! What's it doing outside?
Ice storm.
It's just ice. I can't show you guys outside, but it's literally just icing. Imagine if it was icing, like, put on cake.
Icing ain't a... Oh. I would run outside in my bathing suit and eat it all up.
Why in your bathing suit?
I said my bathing suit?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant in my pajamas.